We're going to make a non-crustable for our sandwich. You don't have to buy it from no store. Take your peanut butter lid and trace your peanut butter lid. To make non-crustables. I don't know why anybody would pay that price for them. Have you all seen the price of them? That ain't even worth it. When you could do the job yourself. That's just a quick, rich scheme for these companies to get rich off of. Now, do you see this sandwich here? Non-crustable. There you go. Don't it look good? See? There you go. Non-crustable.